Currently we are in section 9 and we are about to check out the 7th video of this section. So again, head back to your editor, and for this video our objective is to understand interface in Dart. Now in Dart we don't have anything like interface, unlike we have in Java or Kotlin. But in case of Dart we can actually use a class as an interface. For example, here we have defined two classes of class remote and class television. So let us use this class of remote as an interface within the class of television. So for that, within the class of remote, let us define some methods. So within the class of remote, we have defined volume up and volume down. Now within the class of television, suppose we extend the class of remote, then in that case the remote will be called as the parent class and television will be called as the subclass. Now when we do so, it is not mandatory to override these two methods. But don't you think the television needs to have these methods such as volume down or volume up? Yes, it actually makes sense to have these two methods within the class of television. So right now we are standing in a position where all the functions of the superclass is mandatory to override in our subclass of television. It is optional, but still we need it, right? So here comes interface into picture. Now, how to make this remote class behave as if it is an interface? So for that, instead of extends keyword, we can use implements keyword. Now when we do so, the remote is now acting as an interface. And when it becomes an interface, so in that case it is mandatory to override these two methods. So for that, let us implement these two methods by overriding it, such that void, and then we have volume down or volume up. So let us type all of these manually. And also let us override this volume down. And within these two methods, we can actually write our own print statement as per our wish. Looks great now. So in your real application, you can replace this print statement by your own code as per your functionality. Right now, I am just using a dummy print statement here. And now that we have implemented remote and also overridden all of these methods, let us create the object of television such as var TV equal to television, and then we can actually call TV dot volume up or volume down, something like this. If you run your application right now, you will get the output as expected, volume up in television and volume down in television. Let us take a step ahead. Now, when we use the remote as an interface, so in that case, you cannot simply call super dot volume up like this. That is, from the class of television, you cannot call the super implementation of the same method present in the remote class like this, just because we are using remote as an interface. If you run your code right now, it will throw the exception that the superclass has no method named volume up. Now, if you simply remove this implements and use extends, then in that case, your code will work perfectly fine. You will get volume up from remote printed here. But since we are using here remote as interface, so this statement is not allowed. Please make a note of that. Perfect. And also, suppose if we have another class, for example, class, let us call it another class. And within this, suppose we have some method, just another method with some code. And suppose you try to implement remote as well as another class. So in that case, it is allowed in case of interface. So in interface, you can implement multiple classes. And when you implement another class, then it is mandatory to override this method as well. Just because here the compiler is not happy, it is showing us some error. So down below here, let us override that just another method as well. And here you can put your own code, such as print some code. Perfect. So right now I am just trying to make a point here that in case of interface, you can implement multiple classes here. But suppose instead of implements, we use the keyword of extends, then in that case it is not allowed because you can only inherit from one single class. You cannot use two classes name here. It is not allowed in case of inheritance. So in short, in the end, when we use implements keyword, you can use multiple classes on the right. And you can even implement more classes by using the separated commas like this. Perfect. So that's all for this video. So let us summarize what we have learned in this video. Well, Dart does not have any special syntax to declare an interface. Why? Just because in Dart, the normal classes can act as an interface, similar to what we have in other programming languages. And now, the interface is used when you need the concrete implementation of all of its functions within its subclass. So while implementing any class, it is mandatory to override all the methods in the implementing class, like we saw in our example. And also in the end, you can implement multiple classes, but you cannot extend multiple classes during inheritance. So this is one of the major difference between while implementing a class and also extending a class during inheritance. Perfect. So that's all for this video.